Sound check, sound check, sound check. Good morning, our dear participants. So my greetings of peace and goodwill to everyone. I am your lead discussant for this morning for quantitative reasoning. I am Ma'am Clyte M. Espida from Region 12. I have recently passed the NAPOLCOM exam last April 9, 2022. So we will be discussing for this morning basic concepts of mathematics and So before we're going to proceed to our lesson, let's have first some tips for you to pass the exam. So quantitative reasoning, review tips and tricks. So first is you need to strengthen your knowledge Second, you need to take as many practice tests on basic arithmetic with real numbers, GEMDAS, writing algebraic expressions, and solving problems. If you have mastered the table of multiplications, then your life would be easier. For number three, you need to identify which lessons you struggle with the most. Some examiners tend to run away from their weakness and focus only on what they do best. However, addressing the challenging problems head on will give you the confidence you need to perform better in the subtest. Fourth, you need to learn quick computing methods to maximize your time in this portion. Here are some techniques that you can use. Example. So when getting the 25% of a number, just divide the number by 4. So when we say 25% of 80, so we're going to divide it by 4. So the answer would be 20. Or another example would be for 50%, just simply divide it by 2. So example, you have 50% of 30, so answer would be 15. Then in multiplying a decimal by 100, it means you only have to move 2 decimal places to the right. For instance, you have 9 multiplying by 1,000 means moving Is this better now? Okay, so once again, good morning and my greetings of peace and goodwill to everyone. I will be your lead screening for quantitative reasoning, discussing basic concepts, problem solving. So, Sound check. Sound check. Sound. Hello. Sound. Sound check. How about this? Sound check. Hello. Is this okay now? Good morning, everyone. Please comment dar na po kung okay na. Mahina pa rin? Sound check. Okay. Nakadarna na. Okay, so once again, good morning. Sorry for the inconvenience. So my greetings of peace and goodwill to everyone. I'll be your lead discussant for this morning. I am Ma'am Clyte Maduhinog Ispida for quantitative reasoning. So we will be discussing basic concepts of mathematics and problem solving. So as what I have told you earlier, if you have memorized the table of multiplication, your life would be easier. Okay, so let's have the quantitative reasoning review tips and tricks. So first we have strengthen your knowledge of basic mathematical concepts, specifically on yung mga simple lang, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, both of or among integers, decimals, and fractions. For number 2, take as many practice tests as on basic arithmetic with real numbers, the GEMDAS, writing algebraic expressions, and solving problems. For number 3, identify which lessons you struggle with. Some examinees tend to run away from their weaknesses and focus only on what they do best. However, addressing the challenging problems head on will give you the confidence you need to perform better in this sub-test. For number 4, learn quick computing methods to maximize your time in this portion. Here are some techniques and examples. Example, when getting 25% of a number, it is as simple as dividing it by 4. So let's say 25% of 80, so just simply divide 80 by 4, so the answer would be 20. For 50%, just simply divide it by 2 or half. When we say 50%, that is half. So let's say 50% of 30, that would be 15. Okay, the next, multiplying a decimal by 100 means you have only to move 2 decimal places to your right. For instance, you have 9.25 times 100. So just simply move the decimal places to your right twice. So that becomes 925. The same is true with multiplying by 1,000. Means you're moving 3 decimal places to your right. And for division, it's the other way around. So if you're dividing decimal by 100, you're going to move 2 decimal places to your left. With 1,000, dividing it by 1,000, you're moving 3 decimal places to the left. Okay. The next, another tip. So for taking exam on quantitative reasoning. So first is time management. You need to manage your time Well, because the exam is time pressured. You have only 3 hours to answer everything. So manage your time well. Second is consider the hardest questions. Third, conceptualize the answer before you write. So meaning conceptualization here, meaning you should understand first the problem. Next, if you need to draw a diagram or some symbols for you to understand the problem, please do. That will help you a lot in solving the problem. Next, use appropriate strategies in solving problems. When we say appropriate strategies, that will make your solution precise and accurate. And that will lessen your time if you have used the appropriate strategies in solving a problem. The next, think about the logic of your solution. See to it that your solution and your idea is reasonable. Next, check your work towards the end. Meaning, you're going to review your solution. If you're following the right steps and with the correct solutions and correct procedures, you're going to arrive at the correct answer. So let's start. So let's start first with the very basic idea, which is GEMDAS. Now, I want you to comment kung ano yung GEMDAS. How do we use GEMDAS? What does G stands for? Okay, I will be waiting for your comments. So what does G stands for? You have here the G. Okay, others are using PEMDAS. PMDAS. Okay, very good. For Mr. or Miss, I don't know, Febi Tanglod Wangdali. G stands for group or grouping symbols. So others are using PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses. But in mathematics, we're not only using parentheses. We're also using brackets and braces. So we use G as grouping symbols. Okay, then E stands for exponents, M for multiply, D for divide, A for add, and S for subtract. So these four are four fundamental operations. But how are we going to apply it if we're going to simplify expressions? Okay, let's have this, but we need to follow this one. Important notes that we should remember. In a particular simplification, if you have both multiplication and division, do the operations one by one in the order from left to right. So it does not necessarily mean that division always come before multiplication. So we have to do one by one in the order from left to right. The same is true with addition and subtraction. So if you have both addition and subtraction, do the operations one by one in the order from left to right. Okay, yes po, parehas lang po yung PEMDAS at saka GEMDAS. But we specify that G stands for grouping symbols, not only for parentheses. So let's have some examples of simplifying expressions, applying GEMDAS. Okay, so let's have an example. 12 divide 3 times 5 is equal to, okay, first may iisip natin, kailangan muna nating mag-multiply bago mag-divide. But according to the note, you should do it from left to right. So you will have 12, divide 3 muna bago ka mag-multiply sa 5. So you have 12 divide 3 is 4. Then you are going to multiply it by 5. So 4 times 5 is 20. That's why you have 20 here as the answer. Next, we have, for the example for addition and subtraction, you have 13 minus 5 plus 9. So the same. It does not necessarily mean that we are going to add first before we're going to subtract. We're going to do it from left to right. So you will have 13 minus 5 first. That's 8 plus 9. And the answer is 17. Okay, so let's have some exercises. I want you to comment down your all on your answers. So let's have number 1. That's 5 plus 6 times 7 is equal to. Okay, so comment down your answers for number 1. Again, 5 plus 6 times 7 is equal to blank. I'll be waiting for your answers. Okay, so some more answers. Okay, we'll be waiting. Okay, others are answering it with 77, 47. Okay, let's see what is the correct answer. Okay, maybe you were confused with what I said earlier. Okay, but for the answer for number 1, the correct answer is 47. Okay, I'm going to explain. Based on GEMDAS, multiplication comes first before addition. So we're going to multiply first 6 and 7 before we add it to 5. So 6 times 7 is 42 plus 5 is 47. We will not have it as 5 plus 6 first before multiplying it to 7. You answer 77 because you have 5 plus 6 is 11 times 7, that's 77. But that is wrong. The correct answer is 47. For those who answered 72, how did you get 72? Okay, for number 2. Okay, sorry. So let's have number 2. Let's have 25 plus 11 times 2. Okay, you have the answer. So uunahin natin yung nasa grouping symbol or symbols. 25 plus 11 is 36 times 2 is 72. Okay, very good. For those who answered 72, congratulations. Let's have number 3. You have 10 squared minus 16. Divide it by 8 is equal to blank. Let's have number 3. Number 3. Let's have number 3. Okay, so I'll be waiting for your answers for number 3. Okay, we have John Platil. The answer is 98. Joe Pai, 98. Feby, 98. Ralph, 50. Tablezo Christian, 98. Ariola, 98. Okay, very good. For those who got the answer or who answered 98, you got the correct answer. So 100 first because that is with an exponent. So 10 squared, that means 10 times 10. 10 times 10 is 100. You have now 16 divide 8. You divide first before we're going to subtract. So 16 divide 8 is 2. So 100 minus 2 is 98. Okay, congratulations. Very good ang mga participants ngayong umaga. Let's have number 4. 3 plus 6 times the parenthesis of 5 plus 4, close parenthesis, divide it by 3, minus 7. Okay, let's have number 4. Okay, Leonardo 14, Jopay 25. Okay, so let's wait for the others. Jenny 11, John Platil 14, Cabradilla 14, Luis 5, Jen 14, Anthony 14, Jopay, another answer 20, Gilmark 14, Jopay, 20 po. O sige. Nerissa 14, Jason 14. Okay, let's reveal the answer. For number 4, the correct answer is 14. We're going to do the grouping symbols first. So 5 plus 9, 5 plus 4, rather. 5 plus 4 is 9. Then we multiply it by 6. 9 times 6 is 54. 54 divide 3, what's the answer? 18. 18, we could have it plus 3. 18 plus 3, 21, minus 7, the answer is 14. Okay, for those who answered 14, congratulations. Now let's have number 5. You have 56 minus 2 times 20 plus 12 divide 4 times 3 minus 2 times 2 plus 10. Okay, I'll be giving you your time to answer number 5. Please do it mentally kasi po wala pong calculator pagdating sa exam. Okay, so let's have number 5. Let's have number 5. Okay, Alfred, he answered 16. Okay, others, 16. Jovelyn, 16. Ronald, 16. John, 4. Okay, some more answers. 16. Oh, we have 5. Number 5, the answer is 4. Jean, 16. Okay. Some more. May hahabol pa ba? I'm going to reveal the answer. The correct answer is, you got it right, that's 16. So you have, first do it, yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So you have, do it from left to right. So you have 12 divided 4 is 3, times 3 is 9. Then you have here 2 times 2 is 4. So 9 minus 4, 9 minus 4, or 9 plus 20, that's 29, minus 4, 25. 25, you have 56 minus 25 is 26. Oh no, 25, may times 2 pa pala. 25 times 2, that's 50. Then you have 56 minus 50 is 6 plus 10. So 6 plus 10 is 16. Okay, now let's have number 6. 6 plus 16 minus 4, divide 2 square plus 2 minus 2. Okay, let's have number 6. Okay, number 6. Okay, sige po, dandahan lang po tayo. Okay, sige po, dandahanan lang po natin. Okay, sige. Thank you so much for reminding me. Okay, sige. For number 6. Okay, we will have the step-by-step procedure later. So just follow the numbers that I am saying. Okay, so you answered 6. Okay, opo. Noted po. Magdandahan po ako. Thank you so much. Okay, number 6. Okay, so for number 6, reveal na natin yung sagot. You got it right? The correct answer is 6. Why? Okay, sige. Dandahanin natin. Let's start with, follow nyo na lang po yung cursor. So let's start first with 2 squared. 2 squared is, that means 2, you're going to multiply it by itself twice. So you have 2 times 2 is 4, plus 2, that's 6. So this parenthesis is 6. Next, the other parenthesis would be 16 minus 4, that's 12. So 12 divide 6 is 2. So you will have now 6 plus 2 minus 2. So you have 6 plus 2 is 8. Minus 2, the answer is 6. Okay? Is it understood? So you got it right. Myra, Alvin, Amira, Christian, Nerissa, John, Jovelyn, Jack, Kevin, Jillmark, June Chris, Maria, Febby, Rex, Cyril, Carlo, and Maria Sherlyn. You have also Jopay. Congratulations. Okay, so shall we proceed with number 7? Okay, please comment down your answer or your answers on for number 7. Okay, Cyril, you have 148 with a question mark. So see to it that we are sure with our answers. So it should be, you'll say 148, sure na. Okay, so be confident with your answers. So we have John, 48, Maria Sherlyn, 78, Lilith, 148, Febby, 168, Louis, 148, Alfred, 148, Christine, 148, Ethan, 78. Next, you have Rex, 148, Daisy, 21, Louis, 148, sure na, very good. Jovelyn, 148, Ace, 144, Leonardo, 148. Lou, you have 148, Alvin, 148, you have Juniel, 148, Jop, 148, T-Ben, 148, Amira, 220, 71 for Denise, Febby, 148, Denise, 718, Risa. Okay, let's reveal the answer. The answer for number 7 is 148. Okay, for those who got the correct answers, very good. So, we're going to go first with numbers inside the parentheses. You have 96 divide 12. So, 96 divide 12 is 8. Then you will have here also another parenthesis. You have 12 plus 8 is 20. So you will have, new equation would be 8 plus 14 times 20, divide that by 2. So you will have 8 plus 14 times 20 divide 2. So uunahin natin si 14 times 20. So 14 times 20 is 240. 240 divide 2. No, I'm sorry. 14 times 20 is 280. Divide 2. That is 140 for this. So we have here earlier, 96 divide 12 is 8. So 140 plus 8 is 148. Okay? Congratulations for those who got the correct answer. So let's have an example which has a solution. So let's have this. So negative 1 times 3 minus 4 times 7 divide 5 minus 2 times 24 divide 6. Okay? So comment down your answers. Okay, sige. Saglit. Paulit, ma'am. Sige, ulitin natin yung number 7 earlier. Okay, ulitin ko muna. So we have the given for number 7. 96 divide 12 plus 14 times 12 plus 8 divide 2 is equal to blank. Okay, so again, unahin muna natin yung nasa parenthesis. 96 divide 12 is 8. Next, we have another parenthesis in here. 12 plus 8 is 20. So your new equation would be, or expression would be, 8 plus 14 times 20 divided by 2. So we will have first the multiplication. So 14 times 20 is 280. 280 divided by 2 is 140. Now, we have 8 here at the beginning. 96 divided 12 is 8. So, we have 140 plus 8 is 148. Okay, next comment, ma'am. Paulit po ng number 5. Okay, let's have this. Okay, medyo mahaba lang tingnan pero madali lang po ito. So, 56 minus 2 times 20 plus 12 divide 4 times 3 minus 2 times 2. Based on GEMDAS, we're going to do first with numbers inside the parentheses or grouping symbols. But within the grouping symbols, we're going to still to follow GEMDAS. So we're going to go first with multiplication and division. But based on our discussion earlier, dapat we're going to do it from left to right. So mauuna pa rin si division dito. So 12 divide 4 is 3. Okay, so again, 12 divide 4 is 3 times 3, that's 9. Next we have here 2 times 2, that's 4. So your new equation would be, yung nasa loob lang po ng parenthesis, 20 plus 9 minus 4. So 20 plus 9, that's 29, minus 4, that's 25. Next, we have here number 2 outside, that means multiplication. So 2 times 25, that's 50. Again, 2 times 25, that's 50. So 56 minus 50 is 6. At the end, we have plus 10. So we have 6 plus 10. That's why we have 16. Okay. So let's proceed with this example. Negative 1 times 3 minus 4 times 7 divide 5 minus 2 times 24 divide 6. So I'll be giving you time to answer. And then I'm going to show you the solution. Boy, you stay inside first. Mama has a class. You stay inside. Come here. Get inside. Can you sleep inside? Come on. So you be quiet, huh? Okay, let's have your answers. Okay, let's have your answers. We have negative 3, 3, 220, negative 22, 3, 3. Okay. So let's wait for the answer of the others. Then we're going to reveal the answer. You better keep quiet, okay? We're going to buy a new toy later. Do you want to go to toy shop? No. So better be quiet, okay? So, dito magkakaiba na po yung mga sagot natin. So we have 16, 43, negative 8, 17, 3, negative 7. Okay, we have also negative 49. Okay, answer is 3. Okay, negative 7. Negative 3. Okay, I'm going to reveal the answer. Okay, may nakakuha na po ng tamang sagot. For those who answered negative 3, you got it right. So this is the solution. So you have negative 1 times 3 minus 4 times minus 4 times 7 divide 5 minus 2 times 24 divide 6. So, based on GEMDAS, uunahin po natin yung nasa loob ng parentheses ng grouping symbols. Following also the MDAS. So, you will have 4 times 7, that's 28. That's why we have 28 in here. When we subtract 3 minus 28, this is negative 25 because 28 is greater than 3. So you have negative 25. Then when we divide, negative 25 divide 5, you have negative 5. Then you will have negative 2 times 24 divide 26. So you could have the answer in here. So you may have negative 1 times negative 5. Negative times negative is positive. That's why we have positive 5 in here. So 5 minus 2 times 24 divide 6. So uunahin muna natin ito. Multiplication, division. So you will have 5. Negative 2 times 24 is negative 48 or minus 48. Divide 6. So we will have division first. So 48 divide 6 is 8. Now you will subtract 5 and 8. 5 minus 8 is negative 3. Okay, so the correct answer is negative 3. Okay, congratulations for those who got the correct answer. Okay, so that's divide 5. Okay. So let's proceed to keywords for problem solving. Okay, I know you're familiar with these words. So if you have seen these words, they mean the symbol. Okay, let's have addition. So keywords for addition. When you see rather when you see the word add all together and combined, how many in all, how much in all, increased by, plus, sum, together, or total, that means addition. So please remember these keywords because this is very important in problem solving. So for subtraction, you have the words minus, lost, change, difference, fewer, fewer than, how many are left, actually, need to, reduce, subtract, take away, remain, or you will say lesser than, diminished by. So we mean subtraction. For multiplication, we have the words by, double, or twice, every, factor of, increased by, multiplied by, of, very common po yung of, product, times, triple, or you will say thrice. Thrice, 2, meaning 3 times 2. So we mean multiplication. For division, we have the words as much, cut up, each group has, equal sharing, half, how many in each, parts, per, percent, quotient of, ratio of, separated, share something equally. So we mean division. So these keywords are very important when we're going to solve problems or math word problems later. So I hope you can remember these words or these keywords. So let's have some basic concepts. Let's have, again, question and answer. Multiple choice test. Okay, let's have basic concepts of mathematics. Let's have number 1. Which of the following is smaller than 0.0031? Is it A, B, C, D, or E? Please comment down your answers. Again, which of the following is smaller than 0.0031? Okay, A, sure na. Luis, Cyril, A. Maria Isabel, A. Christine, A. Lilith, also A. Jovelyn, A. Lou, A. Alvin, A. John Paul, A, sure. Very good. Myra, A. Rexley is A. Tablezo, A. Denise, A, sure. Jin is A. Dar, Yuldi, Win, A. Elma is A. Okay. Congratulations. You're answering A. So A is the correct answer. So how do we compare decimals? So we align the place values and then we compare the value. Comparing the value, we have 0. After the decimal point, we have 0, 0, 0. The same as true with this, 0, 3, and for 0.0092, that is still 0. So this means that letter A is lesser than 0.0031. I hope you got it right. So B is not the answer. So you have 0.021, 0.004, 0.006, 0.011 are all greater than 0.0031. Okay, congratulations for those who answered A. At least walang naligaw. Lahat ng sagot ninyo is A. Let's have number 2. A circle has a diameter of 8.5 centimeter. The question is, what is its radius? Again, a circle has a diameter of 8.5 centimeter. What is its radius? Okay, so comment number 2 and then your answer. Be waiting for your answer. Okay, and your answers are Denise B, Rolando B, Christine B, V. Pinosa, Jen B, Noel B, John B, Jovelyn B, Cyril B, Maria Isabel B, Alvin B. So I guess, Lilith, you answered C. Ay, B po pala. Okay. Then Juniel, you have B, Myra, B. Okay, I guess you know the idea between a diameter and a radius. Okay, so a diameter is a line that passes through the center of the circle, while radius is from the center to one point in the circle. Always, a radius is half the diameter. Ibig sabihin po, si radius kalahati ni diameter. So if our diameter is 8.5 centimeter, we divide this by 2. So the answer is letter B. That's 4.25 centimeter. Okay, congratulations. So from numbers 1 and 2, you got the correct answer. Okay, so more or less, papasa kayo sa exam. Magagaling naman pala yung ano dito, mga participants. Congratulations again. Let's have number 3. Which of the following is the biggest? Is it 41,200 millimeters, 41.2 meters, 4,120 centimeters, or 0.0412 kilometers? Or letter E, all are equal. Okay, so comment down your answers. For number 3, okay, please exclude the 4 in here. Okay, so your answers are E, D, E, you have B, E, Sai, you have answered E, Lilith E, John E, Dos, Miraflor E, Louis E, John Paul, all are equal, that's letter E. Myra, Myra E talaga ito. Mark, you have E, Maria Isabel E, Mateth E. We have Vargas, B, Lou, D, E for Joe. Jen pala ito. Cyril E, Juniel E. Okay, let's reveal the answers. For those who answered letter E, you got it right. All of these values from A to D are all equal. 41,200 millimeters is equal to 41.2 meters, equal to 4,120 centimeters, and 0.0412 kilometers. So all are equal. Congratulations. Let's have number 4. Okay. The mean, median, and mode of 5 numbers are equal. The numbers are 29, 18, 24, 25. What is the fifth number? Okay. So let's have your answers for number 4. Number 4. Okay, so while you're answering, I'm going to explain what's mean, what's median, and what is mode. Pag sinabi nating mode, ito po yung number na paulit-ulit or marami. Pag sinabi nating median, if we arrange the numbers from least to greatest, ito po yung value na nasa gitna. Pag sinabi nating mean, ang tinutukoy po natin ay average. Okay, sige. Let's have your answers for number 4. We have Rolando. You answered A. Okay, let's wait for the others. We have Rolando A, Denise B, Lou B, Mark B, Cyril B. Okay, B. Okay, John. Okay. For you to be able to solve number 4, you should arrange it first from least to greatest. So, mula sa pinakamababa hanggang sa pinaka malaki yung value. Okay, so most of you answered B. Okay. Okay. Okay, sige. Uulitin ko po kung ano po ulit yung mean, mode, at median. Okay, sige. Pag sinabi nating mode, ito po yung number na paulit-ulit sa set of data natin. So let's have 29, 18, 24, 25. So ano po ba yung number na umuulit? That is mode. Okay. For our median, we're going to arrange the numbers from least to greatest. Ibig sabihin, pinakamababa hanggang sa pinakamalaki. So we'll have 18, 24, 25, 29. Yung value sa kalagitnaan, that will be your median. So hinahanap natin yung fifth number. So that fifth number, so 5 man, that's an odd number. So meron tayong kalagitnaan. That is the third value. So ano po yung magiging third value natin? And a mean, the mean. The mean is the average. If we add those 5 numbers, then we divide it by 5, the answer is the mean. Okay. So eto na, nakukuha na po yung sagot. Okay? So, congratulations kasi walang sumasagot ng D at saka E. Very good. Yung D at saka E po, pwede na po natin siyang i-eliminate. Bakit? Sa given po natin, wala pong 28, wala pong 35. So, imposible po na magiging mode natin siya. Kasi dapat sabi sa mode, yung inuulit na number. So, it could be either 18, 24, 25, or 29. So, congratulations sa hindi sumagot ng D at saka E. So, your choices would be A, B, and C. Ngayon, tingnan natin yung median. Pag i-arrange natin, you will have 18, 24, 25, and 29. Ganun po yung arrangement natin from least to greatest. Ano po yung nasa gitna natin? So you could either have 24 and 25. So X na rin po si letter C. So yung maglalabanan po is si A at saka si B. So you could solve it directly using naman the mean. Add everything, and then you will have 29 plus 18 plus 24 plus 25 plus x as our fifth number, and divide it by 5. You should get either 24 or 25. Okay, so for this problem, the correct answer is letter A. That's 24. So you will, if you arrange it, you will have 18, 24, 24, 25, 29. That would be our new arrangement. So the mode is 24. Kasi dalawa na yung 24 natin. Ang median natin, pag i-arrange natin, 18, 24, 24, 25, 29, that is still 24. If we're going to add everything and divide it by 5, the result is also 24. So the correct answer is letter A. The mean, the median, and the mode, the 5 numbers are equal or the same. You could also use trial and error. So, case na si C, D, E, pwede mo lang itry si 24 at saka si 25. So, add everything. So, let's say 18, 24, 24, plus 25, plus 29. Kung lalabas ba si 24. Kung lumabas si 24, edi siya yung sagot. So, change mo naman si 25. You have 18, 24, 25, plus 25, plus 29. Pag lumabas si 25, edi si 25 yung sagot. Okay. The fifth number is 24. Okay, so let's have number 5. 30% is 2 3/5. 60% is to blank. Again, 30% is to 3/5. 60% is to blank. Okay, let's have number 5. So comment down 5 and then your answer. Okay, so very good pala kanina. Hindi ko na-scroll up. They got the answers for number 4, letter A. So that is 24. Okay, let's have number 5. 30% is to 3/5, 60% is to blank. So the correct answer is letter A. Why letter A? From 30% rather to 60%, you double the percentage. So 30 times 2, that becomes 60. Whatever your constant, that is 2, kasi dinoble natin, you're going to multiply that to 3/5. So 3/5 times 2, that becomes 6/5. So from improper fraction, you could write it into mixed numbers, that is equal to 1 and 1/5. So the correct answer is letter A. That is 1 and 1/5. Okay, let's have number 6. Number 6. 8 is to 11, 36 is to blank. So we have A to E. So comment number 6, and then your answer. Okay, we have some examples later wherein the solutions is shown. Okay, answer D, 55. Okay, we will have some examples later which has a solution. Okay, meron po tayong mga examples mamaya na may mga solution. Okay, so si Sir Jason, the answer is E. John is 55. Okay, Alvin E. Kevin D. Okay. Feel ko confident talaga si Sir Jason sa sagot niya na letter E. Rex E. Liza E. Rolando D. Okay. Membri E. Okay, si Ayan, andyan, nagsulat ng solution. Okay, that's correct. The answer is letter E. The product of the mean is equal to the product of the extremes. So you're going to multiply here 11 times 36. So 11 times 36, that's 396. Then divide that by 8. Dividing it by 8, the result would be 49.5. So the correct answer is letter E. So we have here si Sir Ayan Botron. Okay, he has the solution. The correct answer is 49.5. Okay, let's have number 7. I didn't write the solution because I thought this is simple. Sorry. So let's have number 7. So we have pattern, negative 6, 30, negative 50, and 750. So comment down your answers. Okay, si Sir John, pwede din E times mo siya sa 4.5. Okay, for number 7. Okay, you answered C. Can you tell me how did you get C? Okay, C. Negative 3,750. C. C. Daryl D. C. Rolando C. Amira C. RRC. Carlos C. Brigonia C. Rexley C. Okay. Alvin Kabang. Very good. The correct answer is letter C. The pattern is multiply each number by negative 5. Negative 5 po. So negative 6 times negative 5 is positive 30. Positive 30 times negative 5 is negative 150. Negative 150 times negative 5 is 750. 750 times negative 5 is letter C. Negative 3,750. Okay, congratulations for those who got it correct. Let's have number 8. If y is negative 3, which of the following has the greatest value? So A, y squared, y cubed, 1 over y squared, 1 plus y, or letter E, 1 minus y. Okay, Sir Jason A, Denise B. Okay, let's wait for the answer of the others. Okay, D. D pala. Okay. So, be confident of your answers. Kasi, pag nasagot mo na, wala nang bawian. So, the correct answer? So, your answer B, A. Oh, someone is asking bakit daw po 5 ang ginamit sa number 7. You could get the 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 multiplier by dividing the second element or the second number with the first number. So you have 30 divide negative 6. So the answer is negative 5. Let's try to see kung parehas ba yung ating multiplier. So negative 150 divide 30, that is still negative 5. So yung pattern pala, ang sinusunod niya is multiplying it by negative 5. So 750 times negative 5 is negative 3,750. Okay? Okay. The question po is, for number 8, which has the greatest value? Okay, let's reveal the answer. The correct answer is letter A. Why? The value for y is negative 3. So negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. That's for letter A. If you answer B, that's wrong. Kahit mataas pa yung exponent niya, but the value is negative. We multiply it 3 times by itself. So negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. Positive 9 times negative 3 is negative 27. Negative 27 is lesser than 9. And the greatest value is letter A. That's 9. Letter C, the answer would be 1 over 9. For letter D, the answer would be negative 2. For letter E, the answer would be 4. So, yung may pinakamataas na value is the letter A. Okay, congratulations if you got A. Okay, let's have this, number 9. Okay, in a certain room, there are 28 women and 21 men. What is the ratio of men to women? Okay, so comment down your answer, number 9, and the letter of your answer. Okay, let's have number 9. Okay, the answer is, answer of Rolando is letter A. Maria Isabel is A. Alvin is A. For those who answered A, the question is tricky. Nalin lang po kayo ng tanong. So, double check your answers. Okay, Tablets of Christian is A. Jane A. Kimberly A. Jillmark A. Jenny Lombre B. Lem E. John A. Maria B. Let's divide by 4. Okay. Okay. Jason B. John B. Maylin A. Faisal A. Maria Isabel. Ito na. B. Sure na. Denise A. Liza A. Rolando. Congratulations. B. I hope you realize kung saan kayo nagkamali. Okay, very good, Noel. men to women. Okay, so the correct answer po is letter B. Huwag po tayo magpalin lang sa tanong. So in a certain room, there are 28 women and 21 men. But it is asked of the ratio of men to women. So ibig sabihin, uunahin natin sa 21 is to 28. Now you have 21 is to 28. You could reduce and have it in simplest form, and that is 3 is to 4. Okay? Congratulations for those who answered letter B and those who realized yung tanong natin that the ratio is men to women. So the common factor between 21 and 28, thank you so much, Miss Maria Isabel, is 7. So 21 divided 7 is 3. 28 divided 7 is 4. So the correct answer is 3 is to 4. Nadali sa men to women, ma'am. Opo. So let us be very careful. Okay, so sayang kasi alam mo sana, nadali ka sa tanong. At least na-realize and when you take the exam, you will be very careful na. Congratulations. Okay, let's have number 10. Okay. Bakit nasulat na yung solution? Okay, number 10 at saka number 11. Okay, andyan na yung sagot. Bakit hindi naka-transition? Okay, but we're just going to discuss. A student chose a number, multiplied it by 2, then subtracted 138 from the result, and got 102. What was the number he chose? Okay, so dito na natin kakailanganin yung mga keywords natin. So multiplied by 2, we mean times 2. Subtracted 138, we mean minus. And we got the result, or it resulted to. So 102, that means equal. So you choose a number, you let that number be x. So x, yung pinili mong number, multiplied by 2, then you subtracted 138 from the result, you got, that is equal, 102. Combining like terms, so ilipat natin si 138 sa kabila. That is addition property of equality. So yung minus, pag nilipat natin sa kabila, magiging plus. So that becomes 102 plus 138. Then you will have 2x is equal to, we added this, so you have 240. Next, wala pa tayong sagot since x has a coefficient of 2. We could remove 2 by dividing both sides by 2. So x now becomes 120. Okay, sige. Let's have number 11. Okay, it's the same case with number 10. I chose a number and divided by 5. Then I subtracted 154 from the result and got 6. What was the number I chose? So discuss na lang natin. So I chose x to represent my number. So it is said that I chose a number and divide it by 5. So x divide 5. Minus, subtracted kasi sinabi dito. So you have minus 154 is equal to 6. So x over 5, the same addition property of equality, ilipat natin si 154. So you will have 6 plus 154. 6 plus 154 is equal to 160. So how are we going to simplify this 5? Actually, we cross multiply. So when we cross multiply, we'll have 160 times 5. That's why you have x equal to 800. Okay, let's have number 12. As we go along, magiging madali po yung math. As long as you know the keywords and the basic operations. Okay, ito. Number 12. In a group, the ratio of doctors to lawyers is 5:4. If the total number of people in the group is 72, what is the number of lawyers in the group? So doctor to lawyers. So our lawyers is 4. Okay, yung doctor is, yung sa ratio is 5. Okay, sige. So let's solve. Comment down your answers for number 12. Okay, for number 12, we have Denise D, RRD, somebody answer A, and 18. A, answered A, you answered A. Mark, you answered A, just an A, just D pala, D. Okay. How are we going to solve this? So you have, the ratio is 5:4. 5:4 is already the simplest form. Meaning, ni-reduce lang po ito. May common factor, si 5 at saka si 4 para maging 72. The correct answer is letter, very good, letter D. That's 32. Why? If this is the problem, actually we have the solution in here. Okay, solution. Let x be, let the number of doctors be 5x and the number of lawyers be 4x. So 5x plus 4x is equal to 72. Then you add it up. That becomes 9x is equal to 72. Divide both sides by 9. So x is equal to 8. Yung 8 po, ito pa lang po yung common factor nila. Yung common factor ng doctors at lawyers is 8. Para makuha yung number of doctors, you're going to multiply 5 by 8. Para makuha si lawyer, you're going to multiply 4 and 8. So the number of lawyers in the group is 32. That's 4 times 8. Or as simple as, pag ganito na yung problem, yung ratio, add it up, add mo yan lahat ng ratio, tapos i-divide mo sa total. That's the common factor. Then, kung sino yung hinahanap, yung common factor, doon mo siya i-multiply. Let's say dito, ang hinanap is number of lawyers. So you have 4. Our common factor is 8. So 8 times 4 is 32. Then you will have, for 5, for doctors, that is 40. So that's why, when we add 40 plus 32, dapat maging equal sa 72. Okay? So let's have, okay, so, ayan, may nakukuha ng tamang sagot na letter D. Okay. Let's have number 13. Ito, padali ito. Kahit hindi mo isolve, pag naintindihan mo yung problem, meron kang sagot. Okay, let's have number 13. A salesman sold twice as many pears in the afternoon than in the morning. If he sold 360 kilograms of pears that day, how many kilograms did he sell in the afternoon? Okay, so please comment down your answers. Ma'am, pwede ba always ganun yung shortcut gaya ng sinabi mo po? Yes, sa ratio and proportion. Ganun po talaga most of the time. So let's have number 13. Okay, number 13. So sabi ko kahit sa number 13, kahit hindi ka mag-solve, kahit walang solution, malalaman mo yung sagot. Just understand the problem. So I'll be waiting for your answers. C, sure win. Okay, sige, tingnan natin yung sure win natin ha. Okay, wait ma'am. Okay, sige, I'll be waiting. C. B. Okay. Yung tinatanong po is afternoon. Okay. So your answer, Jason, is letter D. Sure. Letter C. D. B. John Paul C. Okay, D pala. Akala ko morning, sorry. Okay, so let us be very careful of the questions. Kasi nagiging tricky siya kung ano na yung hinahanap sa dulo. Okay, so the correct answer is letter D. Very good. So a salesman sold twice as many pears in the afternoon than in the morning. So if he sold 360 kilograms of pears that day, how many kilograms did he sell in the afternoon? So just simply divide 360 kilograms into 3 parts. Kasi, no morning, isang part lang yung na-sell niya. Pagka afternoon, twice in the morning. So that becomes 2. So 1 plus 2, that becomes 3. So divide 360 by 3, that's 120. 120, morning pa lang yon. Hinahanap sa problem is afternoon. So you're going to multiply it by 2. Ang keyword natin is twice, meaning 2 times. So 120 times 2 is 240. So very good si Sir Jason ba yun kanina? Okay, Sir Jason Polinar Quinones. So 120 in the morning, 240 in the afternoon. Okay, sige. Let's have the next problem. Okay, mali yung numbering ko. It's 15 yung nasulat. Sige. Ito. Mary, Peter, and Lucy were picking chestnuts. Mary picked twice as much chestnuts than Peter. Lucy picked 2 kilograms more than Peter. Together, the three of them picked 26 kilograms of chestnuts. How many kilograms did Lucy pick? A, 6, B, 8, C, 12, D, 16, E, 20. Okay, comment down your answers. So Mary, you will let Mary be the unknown first, or let represent it with any letter or any variable. So let's have X. So Mary is X. So sinabi dun, Mary picked twice as okay. Mary picked twice as much chestnuts than Peter. Si Peter pala yung X. So Peter is X. So Mary would be 2X. Then Lucy picked 2 kilograms more than Peter. So that is X plus 2. Then solve. Sabi dyan, together, the three of them pick 26 kilograms. When we say together kanina, sa keywords natin, all together, we mean addition. Okay, let's have your answers for number 15. Number 14 po ito, kaso na mali yung numbering. Okay, I'll be waiting for your answers. A, sure ball. A, sure na. Galing kay Jen D. Galing kay Kevin. B. Si Sir Asdar Yuldivin. His answer is letter B. So, pwede tayong mag-trial and error. Let's say 6. Kung si Lucy 6, so ilan yung napulot ni Peter? So, 6 si Lucy. Therefore, kung yung sagot natin 6 hat, itry natin trial and error. Kung 6 yung napulot ni Lucy, so ilan yung kay Peter? So, ibig sabihin, 4 si Peter. Tapos, si Mary, twice daw ng kay Peter. So, that is 8. If we add it up, 6, 4, 8, the answer is 18. Pero yung tinatanong dito, sa tanong, sa problem, 26 kilograms lahat. So, ibig sabihin, mali si A. Pag yung sagot natin, 16, D at saka E, 20. So, ibig sabihin, medyo malabo itong maging sagot. Kasi mamaya mag-twice. So, sobra tayo sa 26. So, let's try 12. So, pag 12 si Lucy, meaning 10 si Peter. Twice naman kay Mary, 20. 12 plus 10 plus 20, that's 42. So, ibig sabihin, hindi sagot si C. So, the correct answer is B po, sure na sure. Tablezo B. Okay, B. Okay, Jasmine B, Jane B, John's B. I know the answer is C. Okay, so tablezo B. The correct answer is letter B. Here's the solution. Or you could have it using trial and error. The exam is a multiple choice test. Pwede mong subukan yung mga choices. Yung mga imposible, wag mo nang isali. So, the solution is this. So, let X be the amount Peter picked. So, then Mary and Lucy picked 2X and X plus 2. So, adding it up, you will have, this is 4X plus 2 is equal to 26. 4X is equal to 26 minus 2. So, 4X is equal to 24. Divide both sides by 4. X is equal to 6. Pero hindi pa po sagot si 6. Kaya siguro kayo nalito sa A. So, hindi pa po sagot si 6. Kasi yung X natin, si Peter. Yung tinatanong po sa ating problem is how many kilograms did Lucy picked? So, ibig sabihin, hindi pa ito yung sagot. Ano yung kay Lucy natin? X plus 2. So, meaning, 6 plus 2, that's 8. That's why our answer is 8. Respectively, they picked 6, 12, and 8. So, a total of 26 kilograms. Yung tinatanong lang po is si Lucy. So, the correct answer is 8 kilograms. Akala ko lucky. Sana maging lucky po kayo. Sana swertehin po kayo. Opo, tricky po yung question. So, sometimes, yung hinahanap po is tricky. So, let us understand the problem or read it twice. Basahin po. Okay, let's have the next thing that we have, number 15. Ito po talaga yung number 15. The distance between two towns is 380 kilometers. At the same moment, a passenger car and a truck start moving towards each other from different towns. They meet 4 hours later. If the car drives 5 kilometers faster, 5 kilometers per hour, faster than the truck, what are the speeds? So we have 40, 45, 45, 50, 50, 55, 55, 60, 60, and 65. Okay? So, feel ko, nahihirapan na sila. Okay, so 300 kilometers apart yung truck at saka yung car. They're moving. Yung car natin, 5 kilometers faster than the truck. After 4 hours, they meet. Nag-meet na sila after 4 hours. And that is, the question is, what is their speed? So that is, when we try to see the choices, everything is possible. Kasi masasabi natin na yung difference ng given is 5, 40, 45, 45, 50, 50, 55, 55, 60, 60, and 65. Now, anong sagot po ninyo? Okay, letter C. Noel answered letter C. Mahirap lang po yung tanong, pero madali po yung sagot. Kung mathematically, sasagutin natin siya using the solution, baka mahirapan kayo or malito kayo. Pero if we're going to use our common sense and trial and error based sa choices, we could arrive at the correct answer. Okay, ituturo ko sa inyo paano ito malalaman yung tamang sagot kung hindi ka expert sa math. Okay, some answers. Letter D. Masakit talaga sa utak ng math. Medyo. Okay. Letter A. Letter B. Ronald. Letter B. Jen. Letter D. John Van. Letter B. Dar. Letter B. Okay, sige. For your answers, is it a guess? Or meron kang ginawa para makuha yung sagot? Ano yung idea? Or ano yung strategy na ginamit mo para makuha yung sagot mo ngayon? Sana po, sabi po natin kanina, yung sagot po natin is dapat reasonable. So, dapat meron tayong ginawang paraan para makuha yung sagot. Letter B. Guess. Oh, sige, may guess lang. B. Jenny D. A. Okay. Piliin ang D, pinili. A po. Oh, sige. Sure na. Okay, reveal na natin yung sagot. Okay, sige. I-reveal ko na po yung sagot. The correct answer is letter B. For those who got B, congratulations. Kung guess lang yung letter B, congratulations pa rin. Napakaswerte mo. So, mathematically, pag i-show natin yung solution, ito po yung solution. Yan. So, medyo mahaba. I-explain pa yung velocity, yung time, yung distance, and everything. Dito sa problem na to, you could use guess and check. Kasi all answers all choices are possible answers. So, guess and check tayo. Sabi kanina sa problem, the two vehicles is 380 kilometers apart. They start moving. After 4 hours, they meet. Now, how are we going to solve for the answer without using this velocity, time, distance? Okay, pag nag-guess and check ka, ang gagawin mo, kasi 4 hours nag-meet sila, multiply their speed by 4. So, let's say, 40 and 45, multiply this by 4, multiply the 45 by 4. Tapos, dapat yung total niya maging 380 kilometers. Pag hindi 380, ibig sabihin, mali. Oh, let's try letter B. 45 times 4 is 180. 50 times 4 is 200. So, 180 plus 200 is equal to 380 kilometers. Okay. Okay, ito ang ginawa ko. So, I hope you got the correct answer. Okay? So, if you have this, velocity, time, distance, medyo it would take time. So, use strategies na mapapadali yung sagot. Okay, so you have 45 is to 250. 45 is to 50. Romar, so you have 380 divide 4, 95. Okay, so you have 45 is to 50 or 45 and 50. So, very good. Meron din siyang paraan kung paano na-solve yung ating problem number 15. So, congratulations, Romar, Louis, Peñalosa or Penalosa. Okay? So, let's proceed with our next topic. So, basic concepts pa lang po yun, yung common. So, let's have yung pinakamarami sa quantitative reasoning sa math is percentage. So, let's have percentage. Or do you want a break? Water break?
Sa mga ano ko kung may pili pa ako. Ito pa yung pwede na mo.
Okay, water break muna. Okay, you may rest for a while kasi may dumudugo na daw na utak. Sa percentage, magiging madali po ito. Sa water break po muna tayo. No break, ma'am. Baka di na daw babalik. Break muna, ma'am. Okay, sige. Break na. Okay, water break muna. Okay. Oh my God. I think my brain just committed suicide. I can feel it bleeding. Kaya pa yan, John Van. Okay, shall we proceed now with percentage? Sige, comment na po ng Darna pag proceed na tayo sa percentage. Darna, ready na si Daisy. Ding ang bato. Okay, sumigaw na po. May sumigaw na po ng Darna. Yo, I can hear your voice. Better be quiet for a while, okay? Huh? I'm just going to have it half closed. Okay, so start na ulit kami. Okay, so let's have percentage. During our exam, April 9, 2022 exam, NAPOLCOM exam, yung pinakamarami pong problem is on percentage. Okay, so let's have a short discussion for a while. Then we're going to proceed with examples sa problem solving. Okay, so let's have percentage. So what is percentage? So percentage is defined as a given part or amount in every 100. So it is a fraction with 100 as the denominator and represented by the symbol given. So in question containing percentage, we're going to convert it first to hundreds or decimal. So let's say 65%, that is equal to 0.65. We move two decimal places to our left. So when we say 10%, that is 0.10, and that is still equal to 0.1. When we say 0.5%, we move two decimal places to our left, so that becomes 0.005. So if we have the question, example, what is 60% of 80? So we will be using the keywords na meron tayo kanina. What, we may represent this with X. Is stands for equal. Then 60%, ano ang of natin kanina sa ating keywords? Of is multiplication. So your equation would be X equals 60% of, that is times 80. So what do you think is the answer? What is 60% of 80? Comment down your answer. Wala pong choices ito. So try. Okay. Arnolfo Cabido, 48. Ronald, 48. Papasa na ito. Jason, 48. Jasmine, 48. Lilith, 48. Nerissa, 48. Maria Isabel, 48. John, 48. John. Rexley, 48. Then, Alvin, 48. Okay, 6 times 8, 48. Okay, very good. So the correct answer is 48. So x, that stands for our what? Is equal 60% of is multiplication, that is 80. So our 60%, when we write it in decimal, we have it as 0.60 or 0.6. Now you have 0.6 times 80, that is equal to 48. So if you got it right, congratulations. Okay. Yan, dyan nalalamig utak ko, ma'am. Okay, very good. So at least medyo magaan ito para sa inyo. Okay, so let's have some exercises or example muna tayo na tayo yung magsasolve. Then mamaya, meron tayong choices. Okay, for percentage. Okay, the price of an item dropped from 15 to 12 pesos. By what percentage did the price drop? Okay, the price of an item dropped. So, from 15 to 12 pesos. Siguro nag-sale. So, by what percentage did the drop, or did the price drop? So, by what percentage? Drop meaning bumaba. So, from 15, naging 12 pesos, magkano yung binaba? Magkano yung binaba? So, that is 3 pesos. With that 3 pesos, anong percentage siya ng 15? Okay, so you are answering 20%. Okay? Okay, very good. So you will have this solution. Una, gagawin muna natin, i-subtract 15 by 12 para malaman kung magkano yung binaba. So that is 3. Now, you have to calculate anong percentage ni 15 si 3. So you have x percent times 15 divide equal to 3, then divide both sides by 15. Now we could cancel out. And then you will have 3 divide 15. And that is x percent is equal to 0.2. This is still in decimal. Writing this is in percentage is, baliktarin natin yung process. So moving it towards your right. 2 decimal places towards your right. And that is 0.2 is equal to 20%. Okay, very good. So kahit walang choices, you have the answer. So you got it right. Congratulations. Okay, then let's have number 3. Proceed na tayo. Or you may have 3 and 15. If you have the multiples, if you know the multiples, you will have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. If this is 100%, you will have 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100. So 3 is 20%. Okay? Okay, congratulations sa mga nakakuha ng tamang sagot. Let's have example number 3. There are 50 students in a class. If 14% are absent on a particular day, okay, take note of the question again. Find the number of students present in the class. So yung tinatanong po is yung present. Okay? So what would be your answer? Comment down your answers. Okay, it is as of the number of students present. Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, may nalilito pa rin sa tanong. Yung tanong po, hindi po yung absent or yung mga absentees. Yung tinatanong po, yung ilan po yung present. Okay, you have your answers? Okay, very good. You got it right? That is 43 students were present. Okay, 43 po pala. Okay, sige. Again ha, yung tinatanong po, ilan po yung present? Hindi po ilan yung absent. Kahit yung absent po na percentage po ang binigay. Okay, so you may have two solutions dito. You could have this. Yung ginawa ninyo, you get the 14% of 50 and that is 7. Then you subtracted it from the total number of students, which is 50. So 50 minus 7, you got 43. Or you can have the solution number 2. Kung 14% yung absent, ilang percent yung present? So that is 100 minus 14. That's why we have here 86%. So 86% of 50 is 43. Okay, very good. So congratulations. Okay, so 7 yung absentees and 43 yung present or nasa attendance na students. Okay, congratulations if you got the correct answer. So medyo para palagay ko, mas madali sa inyo yung percentage. So let's have number 4. In a basket of apples, 12% of them are rotten and 66 are in good condition. Find the total number of apples in the basket. Okay, for number 4, it is not asked of the rotten or the good ones in good condition, but it is asked of the total number of apples in the basket. Okay, I'll be waiting for your answers. Okay, sumasagot pa ba? For number 4. Okay, number 4, 54. Okay, any other answer? May iba pa ba? 44. Okay, sige. It is asked of the total. The total number of apples. So 66 na po yung in good condition. So ibig sabihin yung sagot po, hindi po bababa sa 66. Okay? Okay, Rexley, you answered 74. $78 for Lilet. 74. 55 po sure answer. Uulitin ko po, hindi po pwedeng bumaba ang sagot sa 66. Ibig sabihin, answer would be greater than 66. Okay, Jen is 73. Some more answers? Wala pa pong nakakuha ng tamang sagot. So, decimal po yung sagot is imposible po kasi whole naman po yung apples. 78, ayan na bahay at lupa. Sure na, sir? Ay sure na, ma'am? $79, Sir Dar. So, si Clicky, 73.92. Siguro ma'am no kasi naraten na yung iba. Hindi na buo. ₱71 or ₱72. Sir Faisal. Sure na, sir? ₱74, promise. ₱75, Sir Jason. Okay. Sir Jason Polinar Quinones. The answer, he answered 75. Parang 74 ito. May point sagot ko. Baka pwede i-round up, ma'am. Maria Isabel 88. Nag-round off na ako. Okay, Francis Season. 75. Okay, taga saan ka, sir? Yung middle name ko, Season. Baka magkamag-anak tayo. Liza, 74. Limuel, 120. 76 sana. Okay, 75, Sir Leonard. Sir Noel, 43. Okay, let's reveal the answer. Answer reveal na. The correct answer is 75. Congratulations. How are you going to solve? Kung yung 12% ay rotten, 66 noon, number ito ha, in good condition, so ilang percentage yung 66? So pag 12 yung rotten, ibig sabihin, 88% is in good condition. And that is 66. Okay, so when you solve, 88% of x, 88% of x is equal to 66. Ito po yung solution. So, if you're going to, bakit bumalik? Okay. So let M be the total number of apples in the basket. 12% of the apple are rotten. And apples in good condition are 66. Therefore, according to the question, 88% is in good condition. And that is 66. So, we are going to multiply 88% of M is equal to 66. Writing this in decimal, that is 0.88. So, you divide both sides by 0.88. So, you have 66, divide 0.88. So, M is equal to 75. Or, anong gagawin natin? Nag-trial and error, siguro yung iba, the answer is 74. The answer is 74. So, kukunin natin yung 12% ni 74. Pag ginawa natin yung 12% ni 74, so 0.12 times 74, or let's say 0.88 pala times 74. So, the answer is 65.12. Yung total po natin is 66. So, kinulang. So, try mo naman times 0.88 mo naman times 75. So, the answer is 66. Okay? So, the correct answer is 75. So, mag-trial and error. Okay, ito, Sir Jason. So, 100 minus 12. So, that is 88%. So, 88% of a number daw is 66. So, we divide 66 divided by 0.88. So, the answer is 75. Okay. Sige. Thank you, sir. Okay. So, let's have number 5. Last example before we proceed to our exercises. So, in an examination, 300 students appeared. Out of these students, 28% got first division. 54% got second division. And the remaining just simply passed. Nakapasa lang. Assuming that no student failed, find the number of students who just passed. So, ito, ang gagawin natin dito, we're going to add 28, yung first division natin at saka second division. So, 28 plus 54, that is 82. So, 82% yung nasa first at nasa second division. So ilang percentage yung pumasa lang? So that is 18%. So meaning we multiply 18% of 300. So 18% of 300 is 54. Meaning the number of students who just passed the exam is 54. So let's have some exercises on percentage. Okay, sige. So ito, simple lang kung start with simple question. What is 1/2% equivalent to? Okay, sabi natin kanina, move to decimal places to your left when we can convert percentage to decimal. Okay, so what's your answer? Okay. Letter A, Sir Jason. The answer is letter A. Some more answer? A, A. Randy A. Jen C. Okay, Dar A. Jane A. Daisy A. Okay, so Randy A. Ronald Mariaca A. Sir Kevin A. Jen C and D. Okay. Ba't hindi mo sinali si C, ma'am? Parehas po yung C at saka, ay, E pala, E. Okay, so C at saka E. C and D. Ba't din yung sinali si E? Parehas si C at saka si E. Okay? Okay. Sige, A. The correct answer po is letter, sige, mag-eliminate pala muna tayo. Mag-eliminate muna tayo ng sagot. Yung hindi sagot. So, letter D and letter B is hindi po pwede. Bakit? Pinagsama yung fraction at saka decimal. So, hindi po yan pwede sa math. So, we mean here 1/2 moving 2 decimal places. You would answer D? No. So, isulat po muna natin si 1/2 sa decimal point. So, yung decimal point po ni 1/2 is 0.5. So, 0.5, andito po yung point natin, and move 2 decimal places to your left. So, you have 1, 2. So, the answer would be letter A. That is 0.005. Thank you, Sir Jason, for Maran. Okay, 1/2 is equal to 0.5%. Moving 2 decimal places to your left, so that becomes 0.005. And the correct answer is letter A. Congratulations to all the participants who answered letter A. So D and B, X na po. Okay, so let's have the next question. 16 is 40% of what amount? Okay, again, 16 is 40% of what amount? Okay, sige. So let's answer number 2. Okay, for number 2, okay, I'll be waiting for your answers. Number 2. Okay, somebody answered letter B. Denise answered letter D. Clicky, 40. Letter B for Sir Jason. Rexley, letter B, 40. Okay, letter B. Okay, Sir Noel, 40. Sir John, letter B. Noel also. Day Octaviano, B. Carl Vincent, B. Okay, Arnolfo, letter B, that's 40. Sir Leonard, okay. The correct answer is letter B, and that's 40. Okay, let's have the solution. So let x be the number. So, pag sinabing what, that would be our x. Kasi yun yung hinahanap natin. So when we write it from these words to mathematical expression, we have 16 is, that is equivalent to equal, 40% of this multiplication. What is x? So you write it that way. 16 is 40% of what number? Which is we represent with x. So writing 40% into decimal, so you have 40%, that becomes 0.40 or 0.4. Then divide both sides by 0.40 para malaman natin kung ano yung value ni x. So cancel out 0.40. 16 divides 0.40. So the answer would be 40. So the correct answer is letter B. Okay, the next let's have number 3. 0.81% as a decimal is, okay, answer. Okay, answer for number 3. Okay, mas madali sa PRB, ma'am, na solution. Pyramid or triangle. Ay, ano ba ito? Triangle or ganon. Hehe. Okay. How about for number 3? Okay, take note po ha. Do not be confused with the question. It is percentage. You're going to write it to decimal. Hindi po siya decimal na gagawing percentage. Okay, for number 3. For number 3, the correct answer is letter. Okay, may C. Sumasagot ng C. Okay. May sumasagot ng A. A. O sige. May iba din E. May C. The correct answer for number 3 is letter E. Congratulations for those who got the correct answer for number 3. Okay, the given is percentage. May decimal point siya, pero naka-percentage. Then it is asked to be written in decimal, and that would be 0.81%. We're going to move it to our left. So moving it, you will have 1, 2, and that is letter E, so that is 0.0081. And it's not letter A, which is 81%. Okay? For those who answered letter C, okay, pag letter C po, wala ka pong binago. So answer would be letter E. Let's have number 4. 120 is what percent of 200? 120 is what percent of 200? Okay? Masyadong mabilis. So you answered B. B, okay. Okay, so I guess you're confident with your answers. Okay, so the answer is letter B. That is 51%. So 102 is what percent of 200? When you have the solution, you will have it this way. So you have 0.51 Ito po, 0.51, gagawin nating percentage. So from decimal, gawing percentage. So we're going to move the place value or the decimal point to our right. That's why we have 51%. Okay, congratulations. So most of you got the correct answer, which is letter B. Okay, so let's have number 5. What number, when increased by 90% of itself, equals 133? Okay, let's have number 5. So comment your answers, 5 and your answer. I'll be waiting for your answer. Okay, let's have number 5. Okay, number 5. Okay, so you answer B for number 5. Okay, we have Sir Leonardo E. Rexley, letter E. Daisy B. Okay, sige, hintayin pa natin yung iba. Mila or Milia B. Clicky, 119.7. Okay, sige. For those who answered B, I guess you're confused with the question. Okay, again, for those who answered B, nalilito po siguro kayo sa tanong. It is not asked of kung ano yung 90% ni 133. Hindi po yun yung tinatanong. Okay? Sige. Okay, for those who are answering letter B or 119, please reconsider po your answer. Kasi it is not asked of kung ano yung 90% ni 133. Yung tinatanong po, anong number na pag dinagdag natin, yung 90% niya sa kanya, magiging 133. Okay, sige. Sir Leonardo has a explanation. Okay, 90 plus 43. Okay, so anong sagot ni ma'am? 43? Hindi po 90% at saka 43 yung idadagdag para maging 133. Hindi po. Okay, so the correct answer is letter E. The explanation of Sir Leonardo P. Ariola Jr. is correct. Okay, pag hindi mo po alam yung question, you could just trial and error. Kunin mo yung 90% ng bawat number sa choices at i-add mo sa kanya, sa sarili niya. That should be equal to 133. So we tried 70. So 70 times 0.9 or 90%, that is 63. 70 plus 63 is 133. So hindi po yung tinanong what is 90% of 133. That's why you answer B. So that is wrong. So the correct answer po is letter E. Congratulations sa mga sumagot ng letter E. So Sir Leonardo P. Ariola Jr. Okay, so you have letter E, tama letter E, and somebody answered number 70. So the answer is letter E. That is 70. Okay, for problem number 6. Okay, sige. You could have your working lunch. Okay, so let's have number 6. A man has 10,000 to invest. He invests 4,000 at 5% and 3,500 at 4%. In order to have a yearly income of 50%, he must invest the remainder at blank. Okay, so you will have A 6%, B 6.1%, C you have 6.2, 6.3, and 6.4%. Okay, so have your answers. Okay, I'll be waiting for your answers. Okay, let us have your answers. Letter C, that is 6.2%. Some more answers. Okay, Sir Leonard, try lang. Okay, sige. Okay. Send ko solution ko ha. If E ay sagot. Sige. Okay. Ma'am Myra, your answer is letter E. Okay, some more. Some more answers. So, sige, medyo complicated naman talaga yung problem number 6. Okay, Maria Isabel, letter D. Okay, so reveal na ba natin yung sagot? Okay, answer reveal na po. Okay, the correct answer is, very good si Sir Leonardo P. Ariola, si Myra. The correct answer is letter E. E, that is 6.4%. I'm going to show you this. Hindi ko kasi nasulat yung solution dito sa presentation. So habang nagsosolve kayo, nagsolve din ako. So I'm going to show you this one. Okay, sige. His total money is 10,000. So he invested 4,000 and 3,500 for 5% and 4% respectively. So, magkano yung naiwan niya na pera? Yung remainder. So, you have 4,000 and 3,500. Subtract natin yan from 10,000. So, yung remainder niya na pera na pinag-iisipan, kung how much niya i-invest yung percentage, is 2,500. So, kukunin natin yung 5% ni 4,000. So, 5% ni 4,000 is 200. 200. And next, you have 4% naman ni 3,500. That is 140. So, yung kanyang interest is 200 plus 140 is 340 pa lang. Yung kailangan niya po, sabi niya sa problem is, gusto niya yung yearly income niya ng kanyang investment is 500. So based dun sa dalawa, 340 pa lang po. So kulang pa siya ng 160. So to solve for the percentage ng 160 sa remainder na 2,500, we just simply divide. So 160 divide 2,500, that is 0.064. From decimal, writing it to percentage, so we're going to move the decimal point twice. Okay, 1, 2. So the answer would be 6.4%, and that is letter E. Okay. Sige. So, Sir Leonard, you have 200, 140 plus 160. So, that is 6.4%. Okay, sige. Let's have number 7. There are 250 voters listed in a certain precinct. At the close of the voting time, only 180 cast their votes. What percent show up to exercise their voting powers? Okay, we have A. This is A. So this is not 8, sorry. So this is A, 3.80, 4.85, 28, 72, or 82%. Okay, so let's have your answers. Sir Noel, 72%. Okay, Sir Noel, 72%. Some more? Okay, letter D, Sir Giovanni. Arnolfo, also letter D. Okay, letter D. I can't read your name. So, Maria Isabel, letter D. Okay, 72% of the voters showed up. Okay. Okay, some more. D. Carl Vincent also answered letter D. Di ko pa rin magets yung number 6. Ang galing ni Sir Leonardo. Yes. Agree. Sir Andrew, letter C. Sir Andrew, yung tinatanong po is ilan po ang nag-cast ng vote, ang nagpakita. Hindi po tinatanong kung ilan po yung absent. Okay? Okay. Tsamba, kapatid. Hindi po tsamba. Pag kaya mong i-explain at kaya mong ipakita yung solution. So it means you really did great. Sir June Chris Javier, 72%. Okay, answer reveal. So the correct answer is letter D. Very good. So that is 72%. We simply divide. If we get the percentage, you will have 180 divide 250. And the answer would be 72%. So we simply divide. Letter, 180 divide 250. So the answer would be 0.72. Since it is asked of the percentage, so write that in percentage form. So 0.72, move two decimal places to your right. So that is 72%. Okay, let's have this number 9. 73 is what percent of 125? 73 is what percent of 125? So the same po ito sa number 7. You're just going to simply divide. So divide. And answer would be, sige, let's have your answers. Parehas lang po yung number 9. Sorry po. At saka yung 7. Mali po ito. Okay. Okay, Sir Noel, your answer is letter B. Ma'am Maria Isabel, B. Darren Nicole Galam, B. Okay. Okay. Yes, Sir Leonardo. 73 divide 125 times 100. Oh, anong sagot, sir? Erwin's A. Clinky, B. Okay, another participant answered B. Ethan, B. Okay, Clicky, that's 58.4%. Ronald, letter B. Bangayan, Maylene, letter B. Okay. So, letter E. May sumagot ng E? So, if E would be your answer, sana po, yung E po, yung pinakauna nating i-eliminate. Kasi hindi naman po sumobra sa 125 or 125 yung tinatanong. So, E should be directly eliminated from your choice. PRB lang malakas. So, the correct answer is letter B. So, you will divide 73, divide 125. So, that is 58.4%. Let's have the next number. Let's have number 10. Sandals are on sale for 30% off. The original price of one pair of sandal is 430. What is the new cost of sandal after the discount? Okay, for number 10. Okay, tama po ba, Sir Ethan? Tama. Tama ka talaga, sir. 73 divide 125, 0.584. Then move the decimal point to the right twice. 0.0 po, sir. 0.5842 Decimal place po, sir. So, dapat po 54.8%. Sir Ethan, nagkulang ka po sa pag-move ng decimal point. Okay, let's have number 10. Somebody answered A, 129. Sir Michael Monday, 301. That's letter C. Amira, C. Lilith A. Andrew A. Letter A. Mag-resign na po ako pag maliwan. Sir, ay ma'am. Ma'am Jen, yung tinatanong po is yung what is the new cost? Ano po yung bagong presyo? Hindi po yung magkano yung na-discount niya. Okay? Yung bago pong presyo. Sir Leonardo, magaling si Sir Leonardo. Okay, the correct answer is letter C. Ma'am Amira, congratulations. That is also correct. So you will have 30% off. So kukunin mo yung 30% off ni 430. That's 129. But that's not the answer. The answer would be, we're going to subtract 430 with 129. And the answer is 301. Because it is asked of the new cost. Hindi po yung discount. Okay? The new cost after the discount. Hindi po yung discount. Okay? So, pwede rin po yung solution ni Ma'am Amira. Since 30% off siya, so magkano na lang magkano na lang yung babayaran mo? So, ibig sabihin, out of 100%, 30% off, 70% na lang po yung babayaran mo. So, kukunin mo yung 70% ni 430, and that is 301. Okay, congratulations to those who got the answer correctly. Okay, so let us not be confused or be tricked with the question. It is asked of the new cost, not the discount. Hindi po kung magkano yung na-discount ninyo o na-discount ni buyer. Okay, let's have 11. The price of an item that cost 80 pesos was raised by 25%. What is the new price? Okay, pag sinabi natin raised, ibig sabihin itinaas. So, what would be your answer for number 11? Okay, for number 11. Sir Limuel Richie Mejia Marasigan. Thank you so much, sir. Your answer is correct. Okay, let's have number 11. I'll be waiting for your answers. Number 11B, Sir Rex Lee. Okay, let's have Giovanni B. Giovanni 100. Sir Ethan B. Zidak Ron B. June Chris B. Mamaylin B. Sir Michael Monday B. Kung naabutan niyo yung ano natin kanina, yung first part, pag sinabi natin 25%, we simply divide that by 4. So, sana walang umiba ng sagot. Okay, so most of your answer is letter B. Ma'am Jenaline B, Royan May B. Okay, Sir Ethan, in-explain niya yung answer niya. That is correct. Habibi. B. Erwin B. Okay, the correct answer is letter B. As what I have told you earlier, 25% means we're going to divide that by 4. So 80 divide 4 is 20. Sabi dyan sa question, raised. So we're going to add the 25%, which is 20, to the original price, which is 80. So 80 plus 20, the new price is 100. Congratulations for those who got the correct answer, which is letter B. At least dito, most of you got the correct answer. Okay. Sige. Next, let's have number 12. Okay. Ito din. So, Penelope is told to clean all the windows at her house. After cleaning 9 windows, her job is 30% complete. How many windows does she need to clean in all? Okay? Sige, Ma'am Maria Isabel, just go on. Let's have the break after the percentage. Let's take our lunch. I guess this is the last problem for percentage. Then we will take our lunch. I will just inform Sir Dean. Okay. Your answer is 30. Letter C, 30. Okay, Sir Leonardo C, John Rio C, Janeline C, C. Then you have John Rio again C. Okay, sige. How about the others? C, Jen C. Okay, dito ma'am, tumama ka na. Okay, Michael Monday 30. Sir Faisal C, Clicky 30. 3 times 7 is 27. Jen. Giovanni C, Erwin C, Limuel Richie C. Okay, 3 windows. Okay, si Ma'am Jenaline nag-explain. 3 windows, 10%. 3 times 10, 30. Okay, C. Okay, C. The correct answer is letter C. 30 windows. O, pag trial and error ka, kunin mo 30% ni 30, that is 9. Okay, or 9 divide 0.30, that is equal to 30. Okay, congratulations for those who got the correct answer, which is letter C. Okay, so we will be having our lunch break. Sir Dean will be posting an exam or a short exercises in an Google Forms. So you need to answer. Then we're going to discuss the answers pagbalik natin after our lunch break. So we're going to discuss number problems and the answer doon po sa ating Google Forms. So I wish you have enjoyed the morning session or you have learned something kahit kaunti na maalala nyo pagdating ninyo sa actual exam. Okay, ilan ba lahat ng items sa quantitative sa exam, ma'am? More or less, sa quantitative reasoning, that is 20 items. But, sa exam last April 9, 2022, NAPOLCOM exam, for quantitative reasoning is 20 items. But other items sa logical reasoning is mathematics din po yung tinatanong. Yun po ang nakatawid sa akin bakit naipasa yung NAPOLCOM exam. Okay, so I wish you would answer the Google Forms para yun yung magiging basihan natin kung ilan yung magiging score ninyo. Let's have a short evaluation. So Sir Dean would be posting your the link for the Google Forms. We will be back on 2 to 2 p.m. Balik tayo at 2 p.m. Would that be okay? Thumbs up tayo pag okay na. Balik tayo at 2. At least makapag-lunch, makapagpahinga, and then makasagot sa Google Forms. So that you would know your scores. Okay, so you're affirming that we are going to take our break. Let's have our lunch break. We will be back at 2. I hope I have the same audience mamaya because you're very good. Parang hindi ako nahihirapan. And you are also helping me explaining to your co-participants paano nakuha yung sagot. Okay, thank you so much for your participation for this morning. It is highly appreciated. Okay, I hope to see you later at 2 p.m. Once again, good afternoon na, and thank you so much.